Hi, my name is Chris Morrison with Huber Incorporated. I'm the local precision ag specialist here at our Seaford store, and today we're going to describe some of the benefits of remote support in your Pro 1200 display. One of the key benefits to having remote support in the Pro 1200 is your dealership can log in remotely and watch you run your Magnum. So if you have an intermittent fault code for DEF or an intermittent fault code on a remote, we can log in, you can work the remote or run the tractor and we can see what's happening real time. Also, by having an AFS Connect Magnum, the fault codes for your machine upload real time to eTIM every 60 seconds so that the dealer can see them. And based off the operation of the machine and the fault codes that we see, we can bring out the proper tools and the proper parts to help you get back up and running quicker for less downtime. And that's one of the key benefits to remote support in the Pro 1200.